గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అందరికీ. ఈరోజు మనము ఇంటర్మీడియట్ మొదటి సంవత్సరం పరీక్షలు జరగబోతున్నాయి 25 తారీఖు నుంచి. కాబట్టి మనము మొదటి సంవత్సరం ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి సంబంధించి గణిత శాస్త్రం మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ 1A నుండి ఈరోజు మనము వెయిటేజ్ ఎట్లా ఉంది, మనం ఏ విధంగా ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి, ఈ షార్ట్ పీరియడ్లో మనం ఏ విధంగా 75 మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేయాలి, మనం ఏ విధంగా 75 మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసే విధంగా ప్రిపరేషన్ అవ్వాలి అనే దానిపైన ఈరోజు మీకు క్లాస్ చెప్పబోతున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ మనము 75 మార్క్స్ వెయిటేజ్ని మనం డివిజన్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 1Aలో 75 మార్క్స్ 70% సిలబస్, 30% రిడక్షన్, 70% సిలబస్లో మనకి ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ బిట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ బిట్. సో ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్, క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్, 10 questions, that is 10 into 2, each and every question 2 marks, 10 into 2 20 marks. That is first section. And the second section, answer any 5 questions. So out of 10 questions, so we can write 5 questions, 5 into 4, each question 4 marks, 5 4s are 20 marks. And next, answer any 5 questions out of 10 questions. So each question carries 7 marks. 5 7s are 35 marks. So total 75 marks portion, our portion. So first to be 10 questions, 10 we have to write compulsory all questions, 10 questions. And the second bit we have 10 questions, we can write 5 questions. And third bit 10 questions, we have to write 5 questions, half of the choice, 50-50, second section and third section. So in this type of weightage 75 marks, so 7 marks question I can explain today. 7 marks questions. First chapter functions 1 question, and the second matrices 3 questions, and addition of vectors 1 question, and product of vectors 2 questions, trigonometric ratios up to transformations 1 question, and sixth one properties of triangles 2 questions. Total 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2. Total 10 questions. We can write 5 questions out of. So in this type of weightage 7 marks questions, so 5 7s are 35 marks. So total we get 35 marks. In that 35 marks we can dividing 3 questions. First matrices chapter 3 questions, that is 7 into 3, 21 marks out of 35, 21 marks. And next you can choose trigonometric ratios up to transformation or properties of triangles, 3 questions. So 7 3s are 21 marks, but here we attempt only 5 questions, here 3 and here any 2, you can select this type. So you get 35 out of 35 in third section. So I can explain today third section 7 marks questions, matrices 21 marks portion. So in this matrices 21 marks portion we have only 10 questions. What are they? I can explain it. Only 10 questions you can attempt, you get 21 marks out of 35. So first matrices in that chapter, matrices, first a square, a cube, a power of 4, 5i, 4i, 4a and 5a in this type of questions. First 7 marks question. And the second 7 marks question, a dash, a inverse, a dash, a inverse, the relationship between a dash and a inverse. And third one, matrix inverse method, matrix inverse method. And fourth one, matrix Cramer's rule, matrix Cramer's rule. So in this 4 method we have out of 10 questions, so you can prepare hardly 10 questions, you get 21 marks, you get 21 marks. So I can explain it. First question, our first question. So if A is equal to, if A is equal to 1, 2, 2, if A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2, 1. So given A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. So now then show that a square minus 4a minus 5i, a square minus 4a minus 5i, that is equal to O, that is equal to O. O means null matrix. So our solution, how to solve in this type of problems, 7 marks question. So given A, so our LHS value is a square minus 4a minus 5i, RHS value is O. So here given matrix is in order of 3 cross 3. So our O also in order of 3, O3. So LHS value, given LHS value a square minus 4a minus 5i. So first of all you find that value, a square minus 4a minus 5i. A square value is a into a into a. That means a value is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. How to multiply two matrices? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Whenever we multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, we can write first row only. Why? Because we multiplying only with first row. We have to take only first row. So whenever we can take second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, we can write second row. And third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, we can write third row. So we use in that method 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. Next first row, second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 to the 4. And first row, third column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2. And next second row, first column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. And second row, second column, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. And second row, third column, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. Next third row, first column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2. Next 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. So this matrix is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. The diagonal elements are 9, 9, 9. So this is first equation. Why? Because here a square value is first equation. Next 4a, you can take 4a, 4 into a value is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 4a, 4 into a, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 8, 4. Scalar product, this one 4. So diagonal elements are 4. This is let equation number 2. And third one, 5i, 5 into i. 5 into I value, I means identity matrix. In which order? 3 cross 3 order. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 5 into 1 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5, that is 5i value. That is let equation number 3. Now from 1 and 2 and 3, our LHS value is a square minus 4a minus 5i. So a square value 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 minus 4a. 4a value is 4 8 8 8 4 8 8 8 4 minus 5i 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 from 1 and 2 and 3 equations. So now first one is 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 minus these two matrices are, those are minus. So we can adding those, minus is common, those matrices are adding. 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 5 9, 8, 8 8 9. So same elements, 9 minus 9 0, 8 minus 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is O, null matrix, that is order is 3. So that is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. What is the LHS value? A square minus 4a minus 5i is LHS value. RHS value is O3. That's enough. So in this method, one more problem is there. You can do same process. I can given that values. So A is equal to, given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. If A is equal to 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1, then show that or find the value of a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i is equal to O3, or find the value of a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i. So this is the same method problem. So this one is first method. This one is our first method problem. So next method, second method. If A is equal to 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2, then find A inverse. So A inverse solution. So in this method, first we write A inverse formula. A inverse formula is adjective A by determinant of A. So adjacent of A by determinant of A. So you can find first determinant of A. Determinant of A, that is denoted by mod A, that is you can take first row elements product with their corresponding cofactors, So 1, first element is 1 into its minor of an element. Minor of an element means whenever we can take the element, that row and that column is eliminating, remaining 4 elements are its minor of an elements. So 1 minor of an element means first column and first row whenever eliminating, remaining 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2 is its minor of an elements. First one you can take plus, second one minus. So second value is 2 into its minor of an elements. This column and this row is eliminating remaining elements 3 3 1 2, 3 3 1 2, and next plus 1. First one plus, second one minus, and third one plus. It's minor of an element. This column and this row is eliminating 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1. Now 1 into mod AD minus BC, like that. Mod A, B, C, D, elements A, B, C, D, that is 2 cross 2 matrix. Whenever you can take mod of 2 cross 2 matrix, that value is AD minus BC. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. 2 into 2, 4, minus 3. Minus 2 into AD, 3 into 2, 6, minus 3. Plus 1 into AD minus BC. So 1 into 4 minus 3, 1, minus 2 into 6 minus 3, 3, plus 1 into 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into 3, 6, plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 6, minus 4. Minus 4 means not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means it is non-singular matrix. It is non-singular matrix. So whenever determinant is not equal to 0, in that time we have the solution. We have solution. So next we can find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A value is cofactors matrix whole transport. Cofactors matrix whole transport. First we can find cofactors matrix. So cofactors matrix is equal to, we can take cofactors matrix means whenever given matrix second row second element, we can start with the second row second element. So how to we take cofactors matrix means second row second element, start with the second row second element, 2 3 3 2 continuation, 2 3 3 2. Observe here, 2 3 3 2, 2 3 3 2. Next third, 1 2 1 1, 1 2 1 1. Next first row, 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2. And next you can take again first row, 2 3 3 2, 2 3 3 2. We can start with the second row second element, 2 3 3 2, and 1 2 1 1, and 2 1 1 2. Again you can take 2 3 3 2. That is cofactors matrix. So now we can multiply with the AD minus BC method. 2 into 2 4 minus 3. 3 into 1 3 minus 6. 3 into 1 3 minus 2, and 1 into 1 1 minus 4, 2 into 1 2 minus 1, and 1 into 2 2 minus 1, 2 into 3 6 minus 2, 1 into 3 3 minus 3, 1 into 2 2 minus 6. So that is our value is 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 6 minus 4. This is the cofactors matrix, but we want adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to cofactors matrix whole transpose. Transpose means rows and columns interchanging their corresponding places. So rows and columns interchange their corresponding elements places. So 1 minus 3 4 is column, that is changed to row. 1 minus 3 1 is row, that is changed to column. So cofactors matrix transpose, that means 1 minus 3 4 is first row, 1 minus 3 4, and the second column is second row, minus 3 1 0, minus 3 1 0, and the third column 1 1 minus 4, 1 1 minus 4. That is adjoint of A. Now A inverse. So therefore A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by det A. Det is constant, so you can take scalar multiple. 1 by det A. 1 by det A value is minus 4. 1 by minus 4 into adjoint of A. 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 0 1 1 minus 4. So take minus is common. So 1 by 4 into minus 1 3 minus 4, 3 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 4, minus we can apply inside. So this is the A inverse. That is the A inverse. So in this type One more problem I can explain. So one more problem. If 3a is equal to, if 3a is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2 and minus 2, 2, minus 1. This is 3a. Then show that A inverse is equal to A dash. A inverse is equal to A dash. So solution, given value is 3a value. So we let a is equal to 3 goes that side, 1 by 3 into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1. This is a value. So given condition is A inverse is equal to A dash. A inverse is equal to A dash. We can multiply both side A into A inverse is equal to A into A dash. So A inverse is equal to I, because of A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to I. So I is equal to A dash. So given A is in the order of 3 cross 3. So I value also 3 cross 3 order. So I is equal to A into A dash. Now we can find A into A dash. A value is 1 by 3 into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1 into A dash. A dash value is 1 by 3 scalar multiple into A dash means A transpose. A transpose means rows and columns are interchanged. So this column is changed to row 1, 2, minus 2, and this column is changed to row 2, 1, 2, and this column is changed to row 2, minus 2, minus 1. Now multiply this to those terms. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by 9 is scalar multiple, and 2 matrices, multiplication of 2 matrices. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. Next first row, second column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next 1 into minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next second row, first column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Next 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Next 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Next minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Next minus 2 into 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Sorry, minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Next minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So here 1 by 9 into this value is 9, this value is 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. Why? Because minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 minus 4 cancel, minus 2 plus 4 cancel, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, minus 4 plus 4 cancel. So diagonal elements are 9, 9, 9, 9. Dividing with 1 by 9. So 9 by 9 value 1, 0 by 9 0, 0 by 9 0, 0 by 9 0, 9 by 9 1, 0 by 9 0, 0 by 9 0, 0 by 9 0, 9 by 9 1. So that is equal to I. That is equal to I. Therefore A inverse is equal to A dash. A inverse is equal to A dash. Hence fruit. Hence fruit. Just enough. Okay. So A inverse is equal, show that A inverse is equal to A dash. So both sides multiply with A, I is equal to A dash. So we can find A dash value, that is I. So hence we proved. So in this method, same method, I can given two problems, you can do that one, same method. If A is equal to 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1, then show that A inverse is equal to A cube, first one. Second one, if A is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 1, show that adjoint of A is equal to 3A dash and find A inverse. So this is method of this method. First one is A is equal to, given A is equal to 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1. Then show that A inverse is equal to A cube. That problem you can take A inverse is equal to A cube. Both sides we can multiply with A. A inverse is equal to A cube into A. So A inverse value I, A cube into A value A power of 4. A power of 4 you can do I is equal to A square into A square. First you can find A square. After then again multiply A square into A square. We get I. So hence proved. That one. Same method. Next second one. First adjoint of A is equal to 3A dash. First you can find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means cofactors matrix all transport. That is equation 1. Let equation number 1. Next you can find 3A dash. A dash means transpose of A into scalar multiple with 3. 3A dash. That is equal, let equation number 2. So 1 is equal to, compare the two equations, both are equal. So 1 is equal to 2. That means adjoint of A is equal to 3A dash. After then you can find A inverse. A inverse means adjective A by det A. Already we find in adjective A. So just you find det A, simply substitute in this formula. A inverse is equal to adjective A by det A. This is the method of second method. Okay. Next I can explain third method. Now I can explain third method. So given three equations, solve the given three equations. The three equations is like non-homogeneous equations in three variables. Non-homogeneous equations in three variables. So that given three equations we interchange to matrix Ax is equal to D method. A is equal to coefficient matrix. X coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is 4 and z coefficient is minus 1. X coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 2, z coefficient is 2 and x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 6 and minus 7 is z coefficient. This is called coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. And variable matrix X is equal to x, y, z. Which coefficients? X, y, z coefficients. So this is called variable matrix. And constant matrix D is equal to constants 0, 5, 2. That are constants 0, 5, 2. So wherever is given three equations, first we can change Ax is equal to D method. Ax is equal to D method. Now I explain matrix inverse method. Matrix inverse method. How to solve matrix inverse method. So observe here. Just I can explain method. After then I can explain this problem. So first, whenever A is given Ax is equal to D in the form of Ax is equal to D. Given equations are Ax is equal to D. So in that time multiply with A inverse. A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into D. So A inverse A value I. Ix is equal to A inverse into D. So I into some matrix means matrix only. So X is equal to A inverse into D. X value is X, Y, Z. So whenever we multiply A inverse into D, we get three values. So that are X value, that are Y value, Z value. So is the process of matrix inverse method. So in this matrix inverse method, multiplying with D, A inverse. First you can find A inverse. Already we find previous problem A inverse. A inverse formula is adjoint of A by determinant of A. So already we know A inverse formula, adjoint of A by determinant of A. Whenever we find A inverse, that A inverse matrix we multiply with D, we get X value. So that is the process of inverse matrix method. So I can explain the problem, given problem in matrix inverse method. So first you can find det A. Det A is equal to mod A is equal to the first row elements 2 into its minor of an elements 2 to 6 minus 7, 2 to 6 minus 7, and next one minus 4 into its minor of an elements 1 to 3 minus 7, plus third value minus 1, given value is minus 1, its minor of an elements 1 to 3 6, 1 to 3 6. Now 2 into AD minus BC minus 14 minus 12, minus 14 minus 12, minus 4 into 1 into minus 7 minus 6, plus into minus 1 into 6 6 minus 6. So 2 into minus 14 minus 12 minus 26, minus 4 into minus 13, minus 1 into 0, 6 minus 6 0. So 2 into 26, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 1 5, minus 52, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 1 52. So minus 52 plus 52 0, minus 52 plus 52 0. So when determinant A is equal to 0, in that problem is singular. So whenever given matrix is singular, there is no solution. There is no solution. So that's why we can find first determinant of A. After then you can continue that problem. So is this problem determinant A is equal to 0, that is singular, so there is no solution. So one more problem, I can explain one more problem. In this problem, just enough, there is no solution. You can write there is no solution. Next problem. X plus y plus z is equal to 9 and 2x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 52 and 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So given equations are x plus y plus z means A is equal to 1 1 1 and 2 5 7 and 2 1 minus 1, and variable matrix X is equal to x y z and D is equal to 9 52 0, 9 52 0. So now you can find det A. First of all, det A, mod A, either it is singular or non-singular. You can find that one, first one. So first row elements 1 into its minor of an elements 5 7 1 minus 1, 5 7 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 into 2 7 2 minus 1, 2 7 2 minus 1. Why? Because this row and this column is eliminating remaining 4 elements. Plus 1 into last one, plus 1 into its minor of an elements 2 5 2 1. So 1 into AD minus BC minus 5 minus 7, minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 14, plus 1 into 2 minus 10 AD minus BC. So 1 into minus 12 minus 12 minus 12 into 1, minus 12, minus 14, minus 2, minus 16, minus into minus, plus 16. And next to minus 10 plus 2, minus 8, minus 8 into plus 1, minus 8 into plus 1, minus 8, minus 8, minus 12, minus 20, minus 20 plus 16, minus 4, minus 4, 16 minus 8, 8, minus 12 plus 8, minus 4. That is not equal to 0. That is not equal to 0. That means we have some solution. So next you can find A inverse. A inverse is equal to, our formula is adjacent of A by determinant of A. Adjacent of A by determinant of A. So now adjacent of A. Adjacent of A is equal to cofactors matrix transpose. So now cofactors matrix, that is equal to, given matrix is 1 1 1 2 5 7 2 1 minus 1. So start with the second row, second element 5 7 2 5, and next third row 1 minus 1 2 1, next first row 1 1 1 1, and you can take again this first row 5 7 2 5. Now AD minus BC method, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 7, 7 into 2, 14, minus into minus, plus 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus 10, 1 into 1, 1, minus into minus, plus 1, 1 minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 2, next to 2 into 1, 2, minus 1, 1 into 7, 7, minus 5, next to 1 into 2, 2, minus 7, 1 into 5, 5, minus 2. Now cofactors matrix is minus 12 and 16, 2 minus 10, minus 8, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 7, minus 5, 5 minus 2, 3. That is the cofactors matrix. Now cofactors matrix transport is equal to adjacent of A. That means adjacent of A is equal to cofactors matrix transpose. So interchange to rows and columns. Minus 12 2 2, 16 minus 3 minus 5, minus 8 1 3. That is adjacent of A. Now A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjacent of A by det A. So 1 by det A, 1 by minus 4 into adjacent of A value minus 12, 2, 2, 16, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8, 1, 3. That is A inverse. Now we can find solution. Ax is equal to D, x is equal to A inverse into D. X is equal to A inverse value, this value, 1 by minus 4 into minus 12, 2, 2, 16, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8, 1, 3 into D. D value is 952, 0. 952, 0. So x is equal 1 by minus 4 into first row, first column, only one column, minus 12 lines are minus 12 into 9 plus 2 into 52 plus 2 into 0. First row column, first column completed. Second row, first column, 16 into 9 plus minus 3 into 52 plus minus 5 into 0. Second row, first column. And third row, first column, minus 8 into 9 plus 1 into 52 plus 3 into 0. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 into minus 12 lines are 108, minus 108 plus 52 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 104 plus 0. Next 16 9s are 9 6s are 54, 9 6 are 54, 5 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5 14, 144 plus into minus minus 3 52s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 156 plus 0. minus 8 9s are minus 72 plus 52 plus 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4 into minus 108 minus 104 minus 4. 144 156. So minus 12 minus 12. Next minus 72 plus 52 minus 20 minus 20. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4 divided with 3 elements. Minus 4 by minus 4 1. Minus 12 by minus 4 3. Minus 20 by minus 4 5. 1 3 5. So x value is variable matrix x y z. X equal to x y z, that is equal to 1 3 5. That means x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. This is the matrix inverse method. Matrix inverse method. So first given equations we interchange to coefficient matrix, variable matrix, constant matrix. After then you can find det A, that is mod A, that is singular or non-singular. Whenever it is singular, there is no solution. Whenever it is non-singular, you can continue process. A inverse formula adjoint of A by det A. Adjoint of A we know cofactors matrix transpose. So cofactors matrix means second row second element, we start with second row second element and third row second element and first row second element and again take first row. So that is AD minus BC method, you can simplify, you get one matrix, that is you can do transpose. Cofactors matrix transpose is adjoint of A. You get adjoint of A. After then A inverse formula is adjoint of A by det A, you get some value. So AX is equal to D, our solution, by the inverse matrix method. AX is equal to D, X is equal to A inverse into D. X is equal to A inverse value is this value and D value is, multiply that value, you get some values. Dividing with det A, you get constant values. That constant values is variable matrix equal. Variable matrix means x, y, z. So therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. This is the matrix inverse method. Next to matrix Cramer's method. Same problem I explain. Matrix Cramer's method. How to solve Cramer's method? So first you can find same method, Ax is equal to D, interchange to Ax is equal to D, det A. You can find det A, that is equal to delta. Let delta is equal to minus 4. Delta is equal to minus 4. This is let equation number 1. Next to A1, you can take A1. A1 is equal to A1 place of 1, place of first column, interchange to D, 9 52 0. 9 52 0. Second column, third column is same, 1 5 1 1 7 minus 1. Whenever we can take 1, in that time first column we can change to constant matrix. Now you can find mod of A1, that means det A1, that is equal to delta 1, that is equal to delta 1. So first row elements, 9 into its minor of an element, 5 7 1 minus 1, minus 1 into its minor of an elements, 52 7 0 minus 1. Next plus 1 into its minor of an elements, 52 5 0 1. So 9 into AD minus BC, 5 into minus 1, minus 5 minus 7, minus 1 into AD minus BC, minus 52 minus 0, plus 1 into AD minus BC, 52 minus 0. So 9 into minus 12, minus 1 into minus 52, plus 1 into 52. So 9 12s are minus 108, minus 108, minus into minus plus 1 into 52, 52 plus 52, 104, that is equal to minus 4. This is second equation. And next let A2 is equal to 2. Whenever we can take 2, in that time second column we interchange with the constant second column. So first column is same, 1 2 2, second column is 9 52 0, and third column also same, 1 7 minus 1. The same you can do mod A2, that is equal to delta 2, that is equal first row elements 1 into its minor of n elements 52 7 0 minus 1 minus 9 into its minor of n elements 2 7 0 minus 1 plus 1 into its minor of n elements 2 52 2 0. So 1 into AD minus BC minus 52 minus 0 minus 9 into AD minus BC minus 2 minus 0 plus 1 into AD minus BC 0 minus 252 is 104. So 1 into minus 52 minus into minus plus 9 2 is 18 plus 1 into minus 104 minus 104 minus 104 minus 52. So minus into minus plus 52. So that is we minus 12, we get minus 12, but 0 minus 104. Okay, that is right. 1, its minor of n elements 52 7 0 minus 1. Okay, 9, its minor of n elements 2 7 2 minus 1. This is 2 7 2 minus 1, its minor of n elements. So 2 ones are minus 2 minus 14 2 minus 16. So that is minus 9 into minus 16 plus 1 into minus 104. So minus 52 minus 104 minus 156 minus into minus plus. This is 9 16s are 9 6 are 54 5 9 1s are 9 144. That is equal to minus 156 144 minus 12. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Next you can take A3. A3 means third column. We interchange third column. First column is same 1 2 2 and second column also same 1 5 1. Third column is 9 52 0. Change with the constant matrix. So mod A3, that is equal to let delta 3. That means first row elements 1 into its minor of n elements 5 52 1 0 minus 1 into its minor of n elements 2 52 2 0 and plus 9 into its minor of n elements 2 5 2 1 2 5 2 1. So now det 1 into 5 into 0 0 minus 52 minus 1 into 2 into 0 0 minus 52 2 is 104 plus 9 into 2 1s are 2 minus 2 5s are 10 minus 52 minus into minus plus 104 minus 8 minus 72 minus 72 9 minus 10 plus 2 minus 8 9s are minus 72 minus 52 2 2 4 7 5 12 minus 124 plus 104, that is equal to minus 20 that is equation number 4. That is equation number 4. Now in Cramer's rule, x is equal to delta 1 by delta and y is equal to delta 2 by delta and z is equal to delta 3 by delta. That is our formula. So x is equal to delta 1 value minus 4 by delta value minus 4 and y is equal to minus 12 by minus 4 and z is equal to minus 20 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 4 by 4 value 1, y is equal to 12 by 4 3 and z is equal to 20 by 4 5. 1 3 5. So in inverse method also we get same value, x equal to 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. In the Cramer's method also we get same value 1 3 5. This is the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule means first you can find AX deformation, after then you can find det A, that is let delta. Equation number 1. A1, 1 means first column interchange with the constant matrix. You can find det A1, that is delta 1 and that is equation number 2. Next A2 means 2 means second column which interchange to constant matrix. After then you can find delta 2, that means mod A2, that is let equation number 3. A3, 3 means third column interchange constant matrix, mod A3, that is delta 3, that is equation number 4. From 1, 2, 3, 4, x is equal to delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, z is equal to delta 3 by delta. So x value, y value, z value, that is our solution of in Cramer's method. So inverse method, Cramer's method, two methods, and a dash and a inverse method, and a square, a cube, 4a, 4i in that method. So we total complete in these methods, Cramer's and inverse, a dash, a inverse, a square, a cube, 4a, 4i in this method. In our examination, board of examination, we get 3 questions in this method, 3 questions, we get 21 marks. Okay, thank you. This is our matrix 7 marks questions. Just enough in these questions. So I can send PDF also in this channel. You can download that PDF file, you practice that questions, you get 21 marks total complete in this matrix chapter. You get 21 marks, 7 marks questions. Okay, keep watch the channel Srinidhi Educational Academy, more videos. So tomorrow I can explain 1B, this is 1A, so 1B, last chapter, 10th chapter, applications, derivation of applications of derivatives. In this chapter we have weightage of marks 33 marks. In the chapter, weightage of marks 33 marks. So I can explain 7 marks tomorrow class. So tomorrow I can explain in this 33 weightage of out of 33 marks that chapter, 10th chapter, that is applications of derivation. So in that chapter I can explain 7 marks questions. So thank you very much. Keep watch and subscribe my channel, more videos. Okay, thank you everyone. సో ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి మీకు కంపల్సరీ 21 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈ మోడల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో నేను చెప్పిన మోడల్స్లో నుంచే మీకు కంపల్సరీ అవే క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి ఈ పాండమిక్ ఇయర్లో. రెగ్యులర్గా అయితే కొద్దిగా వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ పాండమిక్ ఇయర్ కాబట్టి మీకు కంపల్సరీ ఆ 21 మార్క్స్ ఇదే మెథడ్లో వస్తాయి. నీకు చెప్పినాను ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ అండ్ సెకండ్ మెథడ్, థర్డ్ మెథడ్, ఫోర్త్ మెథడ్. ఈ 4 మెథడ్స్లో మీరు ఫాలో కండి. మీకు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 3G 3Hలో ఉంటాయి ఇవి. మీరు అక్కడ మీకు 3 మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, క్రామర్స్ అండ్ ఇన్వర్స్ అండ్ గాస్ జోర్డాన్ మెథడ్. బట్ ఇది అవసరం లేదు మనకు పాండమిక్ ఇయర్లో. ఈ 2 మెథడ్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది 3G 3H ఇక్కడ క్రామర్స్ అండ్ ఇన్వర్స్ మెథడ్లో. సో ఏ డాష్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది మనకు 3Fలో ఉంటుంది, 3Eలో ఉంటుంది, 3E 3Fలో ఉంటాయి. అక్కడ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఏ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఉంది అనేది. 3Eలో మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంటుంది, 3Fలో డాష్ ఇన్వర్స్ రిలేషన్షిప్లో ఉంటాయి. మనకి ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం తెప్పిన మనకి 3Cలో ఉంటుంది, ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఏ క్యూబ్ a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to o in this type of methods. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ కూడా మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ 3C 3G 3H 3E 3Fలో మీకు 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, మీ 21 మార్క్స్ ఈజీగా స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో వి మీట్ టుమారో. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.